From the previous video, we have created our payment link and our QR code. As you can see, we already have a QR code here and payment link available, and active links are 2. Total rest is still 0 because no one have used any of them, either QR code or payment link, to make any payment. So next, as I promised, we'll be talking about designing QR code and designing a poster which you can stick to your phone and stick to your shop, and customers can scan the QR code and even pay you. So let's start by clicking here, design QR. This page will enable you to design your QR code only, not the whole poster. Here you've got some option where you can select the kind of dots you have here. When you talk about dots, we say about, you can look, we have square, you can have dots, we can have glassy, we can have extra rounded. This is how the QR code, the whole QR code looks like. Let's draw around it, yeah. And then for corners, this is what we talk about. Use these corners here. You can choose to be square, you can use them dots. And then the logo size, you can see we already have a logo here which I tried to upload. You can clear it, then see how it looks like. You can change themes to midnight, sunrise, sun, pepper, These are already built themes from the system. Now you can choose your logo from there. Let's choose some new logo here. New logo from our system. Yeah, you can use these. You can use this one here. Yeah. For example, that one, and then change our theme to maybe midnight. As I was saying, you can upload your own logo. Now you have our logo there, and then we can change our themes to be different. Maybe that one, yeah. And then one thing I have to clarify here about the logo size, it is advised to keep it to be small or even medium to help the time of scanning, because when you set your logo to be big, it will affect the logo. As you can see, we are giving you an alert. Use a simple square logo with transparent or white background. Very large logos make QR codes harder to scan. So after that, you can come here and download PNG. As you can see, you already have the logo in your laptop, or even in your device, or even in your phone. You can share it. Create a QR code through FityPay. Now, after creating the QR image and downloading it, next is about designing your poster. You click there, design poster, and then you can design our poster here. You can choose the orientation to be portrait or even landscape. Then layout, you can leave it as it is, and then format and name is the name that appears on the poster header. For example, you can enter your shop name, yeah. Kinara Shop. You want, yeah. Basically, yeah. Then after that, you can choose your theme, poster theme, something like that. Then more, or even that one. And then you can choose even your logo to appear on the QR code. As you remember, we had uploaded our logo already, so it's available. You can even clear it and change it. Then, as you can see, we've got some buttons here which you have to check. If you want the amount to be shown, you can hide it, or you can even hide the account reference, or even account number, or even hide the PayPal number, or even, yeah, that's how it works. And then after you finish, you can print or save PDF. About printing, you can customize through your printer. Then you can say page is all color, choose and then you can even choose to save as PDF. Then margins set to none. Yeah, and then allow background graphics. Then you can save your poster. Then you can save your poster design. Save. After that, you can proceed and open your PDF and share it